Hello class. There are a couple of things that I would like to point out in the Lesson 8 folder. As always, at the top of the lesson folder you'll see the objectives for the week, and then next I have the to-do list. Number 1 under the to-do list is to post to the discussion board number 7, and you have the full week to complete that assignment. It's due on Monday, March 23rd. Then you want to make sure that you read Chapter 6, and there will be a quiz on the information in Chapter 6 in a couple of weeks. That's quiz number 3, but you'll also need the information in the chapter to complete some of the assignments this week. Next, you'll need to complete artifact number 5, which is a multimedia presentation. You'll use PowerPoint for that assignment, and that assignment is due on Friday, March 20th. You can see the directions in the separate content area. You're going to submit your multimedia presentation twice. You're going to submit it on Blackboard for your peers, and then you're also going to put it in the artifact content area, and I'll point that out in just a minute. You also need to visit the class wiki workspace and create a link to a new page in that wiki. And I'll explain more as we scroll down through the different content areas. So the wiki workspace assignment is also due on Friday, March 20th. So if you scroll down, you'll see the information for the wiki workspace. The first due date is Friday, March 20th, and that is the date that you need to have your new page created. And then you're going to post to your peers' pages by March 23rd. The information for that assignment is located here. You may have already seen an invitation from me to join that wiki workspace. Please read through these directions carefully and contact me if you have any questions. Under the wiki workspace content area, you'll see the discussion board number 7. The title is Reading Problems and Reading Software, and that's due on March 23rd. It does involve doing some research, so it's highly unlikely that you can wait to the last minute and really accomplish everything you need to accomplish for that discussion board. The next area is the area where you will post your multimedia presentation. This is where your peers will be able to access your presentations, and you won't comment on your peers' presentations here. You're going to use the wiki site for that. This is just where you're going to post your presentations so that others can see them. Here are the instructions. Actually, maybe I'll move this content area up one. These are the instructions for creating that multimedia presentation. Make sure that you also refer to the instructions in the PowerPoint number 1 part of the assignment where we talked about the 6x6 rule, the minimum size font, things like that, the basic criteria for creating PowerPoint presentations. You need to use those guidelines as well as the information in this area, the second part. Here's an example of a multimedia presentation that I created. If you have any questions about anything here, please contact me. But I think if you read through the directions carefully, you might even want to print them off and check things off as you go along. I think that they're pretty clear, but again, feel free to contact me if you have any questions.